The sons of part 2. The sons of part 2. These are the sons of Israel: Reuben, Simon, Levi, and Judah, Issachar, and Zebulun, Dan, Joseph, and Benjamin, Naphtali, Gad, and Asher. The sons of Judah: Er, and Onan, and Selah, which three were born to him of Sua's daughter, the Canaanites. Judah's firstborn was weak in the sight of Yahweh. Tamar, his daughter-in-law, bore him Perez and Jerah. All the sons of Judah were 5. The sons of Perez: Hezron and Hamul. The sons of Jerah: Jimri and Ethan and Heman and Kelkol and Dara, 5 of them in all. The sons of Chemi: Asar, the trouble of Israel, who committed a trespass in the devoted thing. The sons of Ethan: Ajariah. The sons of the son also of Hezron, who were born to him: Jeramel and Ram and Chelubai. Ram became the father of Aminadab, and Aminadab became the father of Nason, prince of the children of Judah. And Nason became the father of Salma, and Salma became the father of Boaz, and Boaz became the father of Obed, and Obed became the father of Jesse. And Jesse became the father of his firstborn Eliab, and Abinadab the second, and Shimea the third. Nethanel the fourth, Radai the fifth, Ozem the sixth, David the seventh. And the sisters were Jeruiah and Abigail. The sons of Jeruiah: Abishai and Joab and Asahel, 3. Abigail bore Amasa, and the father of Amasa was Jether the Ishmaelite. Caleb the son of Hezron became the father of children of Ejubah his wife, and of Jerioth, and these were her sons: Jezer and Sobab and Ardon. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time guys. Bye. God bless.